When I was doing my university, obviously there was no internet there. So I'm not that old, but So actually they have a pamphlet there. And I knew I was gonna do med school. I wasn't sure how I was gonna get. The prerequisites for the UAG were not that strict in that moment for my med school as back home. And I read everything. I saw campus and I called the university office back in San Juan. And there was a nice, beautiful lady. She made everything very easy. And June 15, I was here in Guadalajara, 29 years ago. Well, the most memorable times are few things. I think first and foremost is the community and the friends that I have, that I created in that time, that were my support system. And the friends that I created in that moment 25 years ago are still my best friends. So after that, I'm gonna tell you the food. It was the happy moments with going out and eating and making friends, Mexican friends that we did. I think it was all those treasure moments were growing to be a woman here and growing to learn how you're gonna be yourself, how you're gonna project yourself, how you're gonna grow as a woman in a foreign country. I think is an experience that I will cherish and value for the rest of my life. When I was done at ICB, actually we finished classes like at 2 p.m., something like that. And after that, I went to, in that moment, many years ago, Plaza Mexico was more or less a little bit new. And then when I got here, everything was closed because at that time, they do the siesta from 2 to 4. So I got there and I thought everything was closed because I don't know, the mall was closed. But then I saw that I would be back at 4, like everything was closed. So I started taking siesta because everyone was closed, so I was taking siesta also. And about, things like, words in Spanish, like mende, was like, why are you commanding me to do what? I couldn't get some of the languages and some bad words, and that I hear are bad words, but in Puerto Rico there were normal words. But the taxi cab drivers, they told me a lot about, no señorita, you cannot say that. I think it's the foundation of my career. I think the way they taught me med school, the way I learned how to do the clinical exams, how you approach that patient relationship, that physician-doctor-patient relationship was crucial in the development of how I was going to be with my patients. And that really shaped the form of the way I practice medicine. First, enjoy every day. Enjoy the learning, enjoy the classes, be strategic, have a structure, have a very good time management, and go to Puerto Vallarta, go to Cancun, go to Mexico City, visit everywhere you can do and embrace the culture. It's gonna help you to fulfill your med school, and it's gonna help you to, I think, to learn more and not to be apprehensive and enjoy every day while you're studying, and be very structured. And on your free time, go and learn the culture. And that will give you a sense of diversity and a sense of who you are and where you come from and where you're gonna learn from here, and everything where you're gonna be taking for you for the rest of your life.